over, come over. Before we go, let me quickly teach you a song. Hey, come, did you hurt yourself? Okay. Hey, but there's a mark. Not bleeding. That's fine. So before we go, I want to teach you another song, you know, and another beautiful song that you will learn so many lessons from. Okay. This song, we normally sing it on the last day of school week, on the assembly. Yeah, back in the days when I was still in primary school. So, what's the last day of the week? Friday. Friday. And what is Friday in Yorùbá? Eti. So we normally sing it on Ojo Eti, which is Friday. So we will be on the assembly ground, and we will line up according to our classes. Primary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we line up also according to our height. The shortest will be in front, and then, you know, like that until you go to the big guys at the back. So this song goes like this. I will first of all sing it, and then I will teach you line by line, and then the lessons that you will learn from it. Okay? So it goes like this. Wẹ̀ kí o mọ́ gé èékánná rẹ, jẹun tó dára lásìkò, má jẹun jù. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́? Kẹ́ bá délé kẹ́ fọṣọ yín, kẹ́ wẹ̀ kẹ́ tún rorin, kẹ́ bá délé kẹ́ kàwé, kẹ́ ràn òbí yín lọ́wọ́. That's it. It's quite melodious. It's quite beautiful, and the lessons in it are so numerous. So I'll tell you some of them. Number one, it talks about hygiene. It talks about cleanliness. It talks about helping at home with the house chores. Also, it talks about reading your book, doing revisions and studying. Okay, so I'll take it line by line. The first line says, wẹ̀ kí o mọ́, go. Wẹ̀ kí o mọ́. Again, wẹ̀ kí o mọ́. And what is wẹ̀ in Yorùbá? Bath. Bath. You know, bath. And kí o mọ́ means to be what? To be clean. You know, so the song is talking about cleanliness, taking your bath regularly so that you don't stink. So, and when you have your bath, you wash your neck, you wash your face, you wash your abia, armpit, you wash all the part of your body, and you're clean. Also, after bathing, what do I ask you to put on your body? Spray. Spray, your body spray, so that you don't have any body odor. It's quite important to have a good personal hygiene, and this is one of the lessons this song is teaching us. Where kí o mọ́ means take your bath and be clean. And then the second line says gé èékánná rẹ. What is èékánná in Yoruba? Nails. Thank you very much. Ekana is nails. So you don't keep long fingers, because when you keep long fingers, it can take in dirt. Ìdọ̀tí lè kó sínú àwọn abẹ́ èékánná yẹn. And when you use that same finger to eat anything, you can catch some germs, you know, and you become sick. So he's saying gé èékánná rẹ, which means cut your nails. You know, so remember, we sing this song on Friday, and these are the things the song encourages us to do over the weekend when you get home. What is nails?
It's ekana.
Ekana, well done. Nails is ekana. So it says, gé èékánná rẹ, that is, cut your nails. Okay? Then the third line says, Jeun tó dara lásìkò, má jẹun jù. That means What's Jeun?
Jeun is eat.
Eat. Yes.
Too much.
Then very good. So it says Jeun to dara, which means eat healthy food. Don't eat junk. Candies, sweets, this, that, burger, this, and all those things, they are not healthy for you. Okay? You should eat fruits, yeah, and vegetables. Very good. You know, these are the things that would give you good nourishment, and you know, and to make you healthy and not sick, and help build your immune system. Yes, to be strong. So you must eat good food, correct food, not just junk. Yeah. And then it says "ma jeun ju" means what? Don't eat too much. Thank you very much. When you eat too much, your belly will be so hard, and you feel uncomfortable. And then the next thing, yeah, you can't eat anything else. And what happens next? You start going to the toilet.
And you start lots.
Yes, you know.
A lot, and you'll mess up the toilet. You'll just poop everywhere.
Everywhere, you know. And you don't want that to happen. So this song is telling us, "Ma jeun ju." Don't eat too much. Do everything in small proportions, in small portions, okay? And then it now says "te ba dele ke fosho yin." That means when you get home, do what? What is asho?
Asho is
Clothes. Fosho means what? To wash. Very good. So wash your clothes when you get home. That means don't wear dirty clothes. At your age, you can't wash your clothes at the moment, but you know where you put the dirty clothes in the laundry basket. So take out your dirty clothes and put them in the laundry basket and wear clean ones. Very good.
When you bath.
Exactly. You know, change your socks regularly because you sweat on your feet and you can start stinking. Change your boxers regularly and wear clean ones, you know, and what?
And if you don't change your clothes, you'll smell a lot.
You smell a lot, exactly, because our body will sweat, and when you don't change these clothes, you know, the sweat sticks to your clothes, and then you start stinking, and you don't want to offend people with the way you smell. Okay, so it's highly encouraged that you do what? Change your clothes often, you know, and then te ba dele ke fosho yin. We've talked about that. Ke we ke tun rorin. Now, rorin is a type of stick. Orin is a type of stick we use to wash our, yes, chewing stick that we use to wash our teeth back home. Now you guys use brush and toothpaste. Back home we use chewing stick. So that chewing stick is called orin or pako. So yeah, so it's saying use that to brush your mouth. So today you can replace that with what? Toothpaste and brush, you know. But it's encouraging us to do what? Wash your mouth all the time. And you know, as you know how to brush, you brush your teeth and you wash your tongue. It's important so that it doesn't stink. You must not have mouth odor. So this song is really, really nice song that teaches us so many things about good hygiene, eating healthy, and then the last one says "te ba dele ke kawe ke ran obi lowo." That means ìwé is what? Book. Kawe means what?
Learn.
Learn, you know, learn, read your books, learn your book, and then help your parents at home. Obi means what? Parents. Yeah. So ran obi lowo means help your parents at home. Okay, so it's a very nice song with so many beautiful lessons. So now let's take it from beginning again, one by one. You listen to me. When I ask you to sing, you sing after me. We'll learn it, and then we will see how far we can sing it together. So listen to me. When I ask you to sing, then you sing after me. Where ki o mo go.
Where ki o mo.
Ge ekana re go. Ge ekana re. Jeun to dara lásìkò go. Jeun to dara lásìkò. Ma jeun ju. Ma jeun ju. Ṣó gbọ́? Tẹ́ bá délé kẹ́ fọṣọ yín go.
Ṣé mo
tẹ́ bá délé kẹ́ fọṣọ yín, kẹ́ wẹ̀ kẹ́ tún rorin go, kẹ́ wẹ̀ kẹ́ tún rorin. Tẹ́ bá délé kẹ́ kàwé, tẹ́ bá délé kẹ́ kàwé, kẹ́ ràn òbí yín lọ́wọ́, kẹ́ ràn òbí yín lọ́wọ́. Very good. So now let's try to sing it all from the top now to the end. Just sing as much as you can remember, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Wẹ̀ kí o mọ́, gé èékánná rẹ, jẹun tó dára lásìkò, má jẹun jù, ṣé ẹ gbọ́? Tẹ́ bá délé kẹ́ fọṣọ yín, kẹ́ wẹ̀ kẹ́ tún rorin. Tẹ́ bá délé kẹ́ kàwé, kẹ́ ràn òbí yín lọ́wọ́. Well done, guys. Well done. Very impressive. So we've come to the end, and you can go ride your bikes now. I'll give you 5 more minutes, and then we will be going home. Okay?
Okay.
All right then. See you later.